we're going to, I'll write it here now because I've not told him he's coming over now. What's up? Did you like come and sit down and eat your breakfast? We're just having some Nutella pancakes before we go anywhere. I also need to nip to the shop and pick up my camera, so the quality of this video will be better, thank God. So yeah, I'm gonna go and pick that up, and then we're gonna nip to I think like Subway or something and get like our lunches from there to take with us, because when we're there we're in the car pretty much the whole time, and I think there's like a cafe at the end. Have you almost finished? They're nice. Oh my goodness. Is that gone? Oh, look at his mouth.
We got the other cool yet.
How's he what?
We're going to visit a baby.
How's this a baby? Really loving these little orange juice cartons for the boys. When I was giving it them in a cup, they wasn't drinking it, but now they're in, I don't know what it is with kids and having like cartons and bottles and stuff. So we're just about to set off now, and it is, what time is it? It's 9:25 and we've still got to go and pick up my camera. It opened at 10. I was hoping to get there for 10 because obviously a lot of it is like outside and stuff. They shut it at 3 because obviously it starts getting dark. So yeah, we need to hurry up. I'm just waiting for my sister to sort the dogs out, and then we're going to go. Ollie, where do you think we're going? Where do you think we're going?
The pub.
What? Why would you think we're going to the pub? Charlie, where do you think we're going? Gigi's coming, yeah. Finally got my camera back. I'm going to open this and then swap over to this now. Look. Yay! Yay! I can actually see myself now. I couldn't see myself on my phone because I smashed the front of my phone here, which is exactly where the camera is. So yeah, I've been filming on this side of my phone. It's been such a pain in the bum, hasn't it? It's been a pain. So the boys have got their iPads. My sister just got into Subway to get us something to eat whilst we're there. Right, so where do you think we're going? Where do you think we're going?
Subway.
Subway? Yeah, but where do you think we're going for today?
Play center.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
You're always hungry. I'm actually really scared to do this journey because you all know that I don't like driving, and it's like an hour and a bit away. And not also that, but obviously whilst we're in there, there'll obviously be loads of like right here, and it's just a bit scary because we'll be going in with the it just scares me knowing that I'm in control of the car. Last time we went as well, Charlie was really scared of the right here, so I'm hoping that he's not scared this time, because when we went, I vlogged us going last for his birthday last year it was. I'll leave that video linked below in case you want to go and check it out. I don't know why you would, because we're obviously going to the same place. But yeah, Charlie absolutely loved it. So within like half a year, he just completely changed. Like, and then he hated it. So I'm hoping that he's changed this time and he really likes it as well. But we're gonna go. Who do you think you're screaming at? Mwah. Go. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Mommy.
Say Peppa Pig.
Mommy.
Say monkeys.
Mommy.
Monkeys.
No.
No. Okay.
You're kidding. We wasn't going to the place center.
Where are we then?
The zoo.
Did you want to come here instead?
Yeah.
Where are we, Ollie?
We at the zoo. Teacher.
Yeah.
Remember when I used to call them Coco's?
Yeah.
Charlie, we at the zoo. Mom. Yeah. You'll be scared of the monkeys.
Oh, you were scared of the monkeys last time, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
I was as well.
You were scared of them?
Yeah.
Oh well, don't forget.
No.
Don't forget the monkeys cannot get in the car at all.
You know what?
What?
don't open the windows with the camels. Do you know why?
Why?
Because one of them dribbled underneath it.
Do you remember what we do with the stickers? So when you see one of these animals, we have to get the sticker and either put it on you, or you can put it on the door, or you can put it on here. It's up to you. Every time you see one of the animals, okay?
There's no draft here.
There's no draft?
No.
There might be. Should Mummy want to take the aerial off? 1 second. The aerial. The aerial off the top of here. Because this is what happened last time. They stole it last time. If we take it off, the monkeys. Oh. Would help if I didn't drop it on the floor. Oh, we don't want the monkeys. Remember when the monkeys took it last time and I had to buy a new one?
Abracadabra!
We're just going to have a bite of our sandwiches now because we're all a tiny bit hungry, aren't we? What's up? Sit down. Sit down. I can't eat this with Charlie yet. This is going to be the problem now because Charlie's going to want to sit in the front with me. Aren't you? Normally when we come here, he sits on my knee, but because I'm driving today.
Yeah, have a bite.
Yeah, let's all have a bite. Charlie's just trying to get Charlie in the back. This drink is so nice. Has anyone tried it? It's just the Tango strawberry and watermelon. Charlie, do you want to get in the back now?
Yeah.
So we can go?
Yeah.
Go on then. Go on, sit on Choo-Choo's knee. Oh yeah, he's actually doing it nicely. Where do you want to go in your car seat? Mummy's driving now. Here we go, guys. We're going through. Which one? The camel dribbled on Ethan last time.
Yeah.
Well, let's keep the windows shut then, yeah?
And
the doors locked. And the doors locked. You lock the doors for Mummy. Thank you very much.
What if, like, you're in the monkey thing and the door's open?
Because they can open them. Honestly, I don't know. I'm surprised things like that don't happen more often, you know? Like,
It's like you could accidentally leave it open.
or like the lions. What if like a kid opened the door or something and he was in the lions? Like that actually scares me. Look, Ollie, the first animals are there. What are they, do you think? Say hello.
Reindeer.
Found it. Where are you going to put your sticker? You're going to put it on there? That's a good idea, that. Here we go. We're going into the monkeys.
On that.
Look at it. Where's it going?
It's going on our car.
Where's it actually going? Is it jumping on a car? Oh, it did. It jumped on a car. Are you scared? Hiding under the blanket. When they come on, are you going to hide?
Oh, there's so many monkeys in there.
I know.
Look.
Come on. Don't come on, monkey.
Stop being
Oh,
silly.
that little baby.
Look.
Oh. Swim. I don't want a big one like that because they'll end up pulling my windscreen wipers off. Charlie's getting a bit upset at the monkeys and they're not even on the car. Imagine if one jumped on the car. Oh look, they're all going on the ones that are over there. Don't let Charlie see.
Yeah, it's right here. Hello.
It's alright. No, it's not. No, not Charlie. Look on the phone. There you go, Charlie. Watch that. Come. It's actually took the light off the back of the car, that one. That is very naughty. The lights are... Oh. I think Charlie's falling asleep.
Actually, asleep.
No, he's like closing his eyes. He's not happy one little bit about being in the monkeys. We're going to leave the monkeys in a minute and then go into the lions. Aww. That one's got a little baby there.
Are they not strong enough to like smash a window?
Honestly, I don't know. That one over there has got a windscreen wiper in its hand. Like in its mouth.
How many must they like clean up?
Oh, they must clean so much on the floor. There's one here.
Yeah.
Yay! It's gonna go in it. It's gonna go. Hi! It's gone. Why did it keep going to that side? Oh, what's that got in its mouth? That better not be from my car. What's that monkey doing there, eh?
Just a bit new.
That one's doing something to the back there. They're both trying to do something to my back. Oh! They've done something, haven't they? Everyone keeps driving past my car laughing now because I think my back windscreen wiper is falling off. Do you like the monkeys, Charlie? They're over there, aren't they? I don't think this one still likes the monkeys, do you? Look at it, Ellie. How big are they?
Well big.
The lion went right next to the car. Yeah. I'll actually insert a video now of what it was like last year when we came.
Need to get away, I can stay around here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care. These memories haunting me. I keep asking why? You're still on my mind. I really try. All the sleepless nights I counted hours. Gotta move on, but I lost my powers. I keep asking why. Now I'm asking why.
What are you, big boy?
Look, Ollie, this is the king, this one.
Just your tongue.
Oh my goodness! Ollie, did you see that? Is it? Ollie, what did he do? Did you see his teeth?
Yeah.
Oh,
Maybe.
wow.
Hey.
What are they?
Hello. Hey.
Have done. Ah, great. You'll be able to hook it. Yeah, it's come off. There you go.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it.
Says back cave there.
Can you see it? That's just tiny.
What is that? Guys, did you see them? Look at them. Look at the necks.
When you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. on the line. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Did you get caught? So we're going back round the safari again, and Ollie has decided to jump in someone else's car. His cousins have met us here, so he wanted to go in their car, and I'm trying to get Charlie to sleep now because it is, I think he's going to go sleep, 20 past 2. I don't need to go through the monkeys again because he was really upset last time, and I want him to sleep now rather than on the way home, else there's just no hope later.
China have led to increased travel restrictions and the cancellation of some events to celebrate Chinese New Year.
No!
Authorities also say that medical supplies are running low in the city of Wuhan, where it began. Firefighters are tackling a large...
So we've been back about an hour now, and Ollie has decided he wanted to stay at my brother's, so he's staying there. Our sister's going out with my sister-in-law and a few of our friends, and obviously I can't go because I have Charlie. And what I've just started to realise is, well, I've realised it for a while, is the fact that I can never... I have no time for myself, like, ever. I know as mums, we never have time for ourselves, but say the girls say like, oh, do you want to go to the cinema, or do you want to go for a meal, or anything like that, I can physically never go because I never have a night where I'm not working and I don't have the boys, because the 2 nights that I don't have the boys, I'm working, I can never do anything. So I just asked the boys' dad then if he can watch them, and he's obviously just said no. But yeah, I think I need to put something in place where we change it up a little bit, because obviously, like I said, I can never do anything, which is obviously not good as a mum, to not be able to have time to yourself as well. You need time to be able to recharge and go and do what you want to do. Like, I'm not just a mum, I'm obviously a person as well. So yeah, I elaborated on this not that long ago on my Instagram, and I asked if you had any questions about like being a single mum and help on like co-parenting. Charlie's turned the light off and stuff like that. So yeah, I think I'm going to do a separate video on that when I feel like I have our co-parenting down, to sort something like that out, because I can only work night shifts because the boys' dad works 6 days a week. I think that the girls are coming around first here for a few drinks, so I might have like a drink or two with them before they go out, so that'll be nice. I just hope that Charlie goes to sleep at an okay time, because he fell asleep at like 3 o'clock in the car. So the girls have just gone out now, and I've just come up to bed with Charlie, so it's just me and him tonight. I've got myself a drink. I'm gonna get some like treats as well, and then I'm just gonna do a bit of editing, and that's gonna be my night. So yeah, I really enjoyed myself today. If you live local to like Manchester, I would definitely recommend going to the safari park. I've been so many times and the kids love it, although Charlie didn't love the monkeys at all. I don't think Ollie liked the monkeys at that age either. I don't know, but anyway, I'm gonna go. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.